Hi friends, this is Neil, a fellow plant lover. In this video, I will show you how you can convert a normal plastic container that has been manufactured for using indoors to be used outdoors for your planters as a planter. The main problem of using plastic containers that is so thin, you can see almost my fingers through and through it. So it's quite thin. It's not meant to be used for outdoors. The main problem that happens is when sunlight falls on such a thin plastic material, with time around 6 to 8 months, the plastic gets brittle and it breaks off very easily. The reason for this degradation in the plastic is because of UV rays. Ultraviolet rays degrades the plastics and makes it extremely brittle, and then the planter is of no use because you cannot move it, and as soon as you try to move it a bit also it fully cracks. So to solve this problem, I have got a very simple solution, and it's quite cheap also. So you can use these easily available, cheaply available plastic containers that are meant for indoor use for plant. The material that we'll be using to protect this from UV ray is also quite easily available. It is aluminium foil. Aluminium is able to block almost 100% of the UV radiation. So you can easily cover this entire surface that is exposed to that is going to be exposed to the sunlight, and by that way this normal plastic will become UV resistant plastic, at least till the time the aluminum foil is present. So you have to take precaution while lifting and putting it and moving the planter so that the aluminum foil doesn't get removed. But even if it gets removed, you can always easily again paste it on it. So for pasting it, we'll be using some cello tape, and you will also have to obviously make drainage holes because normal plastic containers won't be having any drainage holes. So for creating drainage holes, that's quite simple. You will require some metal object. I'll be using this small metal rod, and I'll be heating it on a gas burner, or you can use a candle also. And you just have to heat this tip so that you can easily pass through it. The plastic will easily melt through it. So it makes sufficient amount of holes so that the water completely drains through this container and there's no stagnant water. And after doing that, I'll show you the result. This is the end result. As you can see, I've covered the entire area that will be exposed to the sunlight by aluminum foil. Also, I've made the 4 drainage holes using the metal rod that I had shown previously. The aluminum foil that I have used is double layered. If it gets scraped also, it will not get torn because I've used 2 layers of aluminum foil. I folded the aluminum foil. I basically folded 2 foils like this. Shiny side I kept it on the outside so that it would look nice also. So like this, by folding it into 2 layers, the foil has become thicker and it will be more durable instead of using a single foil. The soil would be up till here, so this part will be exposed in the sunlight. So I have to cover this part also with aluminum foil to make sure that this part of the plastic container doesn't get weakened by the UV radiation. So this is the final result. It also looks very nice and it will be durable. Till the time the aluminum foil covers this plastic, nothing is going to happen to it, even if you keep it exposed in direct sunlight the whole day. So just make sure that the aluminum foil doesn't get torn anywhere, and if it gets torn, just paste another piece of aluminum foil. And that's how you can use your regular indoor plastic containers as a planter for outdoor direct sunlight. If you like this video, please make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are watching through YouTube, or if you are watching through Facebook, then please like our Facebook page, Plants My Love. Thanks for watching friends. See you later. Bye bye.